Hello everyone, welcome back to our project management tutorial series. Today, we're diving deep into project integration management. This is a crucial aspect of project management that ensures all elements of a project are properly coordinated. Whether you're preparing for the PMP exam or just learn project management skills, this video will provide you with the insights you need. Let's get started. What is project integration management? So, what exactly is project integration management? Simply put, it's the process of ensuring that all aspects of a project are properly coordinated. This includes managing project plans, making sure different elements of the project work together, and aligning the project with organizational goals. It's all about seeing the big picture and making sure everything is in sync. The role of project integration management in ensuring project success cannot be overstated. It involves balancing competing objectives, optimizing resource use, and making trade-offs between different project constraints like scope, time, cost, and quality. Without proper integration management, a project can quickly go off track. Key objectives of project integration management. One of the key objectives is coordinating various project elements. Think of it as the glue that holds the project together. This means ensuring that the project's deliverables, timelines, and resources are aligned and working towards the same goals. Another critical objective is ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Every project should contribute to the strategic objectives of the organization. Integration management ensures that the project remains on course to deliver value to the organization. Managing project complexity is another important aspect. Projects often involve multiple teams, stakeholders, and deliverables. Integration management helps in navigating this complexity and ensuring smooth execution. Overview of project integration management processes. Now, let's break down the processes involved in project integration management. There are 7 key processes we'll cover. Develop project charter. Develop project management plan. Direct and manage project work. Manage project knowledge. Monitor and control project work. Perform integrated change control. Close project or phase. 1. Develop project charter. The first process is developing the project charter. The project charter is a formal document that authorizes the project. It outlines the objectives, scope, stakeholders, and key deliverables. Let's look at this in more detail. Imagine we're working on a software development project. The project charter would include the project's purpose, the main objectives, the key stakeholders involved, and the deliverables. For instance, the objective might be to develop a new mobile application within 6 months with a budget of $200,000. The inputs for developing the project charter include business documents, agreements, and enterprise environmental factors. Tools and techniques include expert judgment and data gathering techniques like brainstorming and interviews. The primary output is, of course, the project charter itself. 2. Develop project management plan. So, next, we have the project management plan. This comprehensive document guides project execution and control. It consolidates subsidiary plans and integrates them into a cohesive plan. For a construction project, the project management plan would detail the schedule, cost estimates, quality requirements, resource management plan, and risk management plan. It's like having a blueprint for the entire project. The inputs include the project charter, outputs from other processes, and enterprise environmental factors. Tools and techniques used are expert judgment, data gathering, and meetings. The output is the project management plan, which serves as a guide for the project team. 3. Direct and manage project work. The third process is directing and managing project work. This involves leading and performing the work defined in the project management plan and implementing approved changes. In an IT project, this could involve tasks like developing code, testing software, and deploying updates. It's where the actual work happens. Inputs include the project management plan, project documents, and approved change requests. Tools and techniques involve project management information systems (PMIS) and meetings. Outputs include deliverables, work performance data, and issue logs. 4. Manage project knowledge. Managing project knowledge is about using existing knowledge and creating new knowledge to achieve project objectives and contribute to organizational learning. In a research project, managing knowledge could involve documenting findings, sharing insights with the team, and ensuring that valuable knowledge is retained and used in future projects. Inputs include the project management plan, project documents, and deliverables. Tools and techniques include knowledge management and information management systems. Outputs are lessons learned, register, and updates to project documents. 5. Monitor and control project work. The fifth process, monitoring and controlling project work, involves tracking, reviewing, and reporting project progress against the project management plan. For a marketing campaign, this could mean tracking key performance indicators (KPIs), comparing actual performance against the plan, and making necessary adjustments to stay on track. Inputs include the project management plan, project documents, and work performance information. Tools and techniques include data analysis, decision-making, and meetings. Outputs include work performance reports, change requests, and updates to the project management plan. 6. Perform integrated change control. The sixth process is performing integrated change control. This involves reviewing and managing changes to the project throughout its life cycle. In a manufacturing project, this might involve assessing the impact of a change request, such as a design modification, on the project's scope, schedule, and budget before approval. Inputs include the project management plan, project documents, and work performance reports. Tools and techniques involve change control tools, data analysis, and decision-making. Outputs are approved change requests and updates to project documents and the project management plan. 7. Close project or phase. Finally, we have the process of closing a project or phase. This involves finalizing all activities to formally complete the project or phase. In a product development project, closing a phase could mean completing all testing and documentation for the development phase before moving to the production phase. Inputs include the project charter, project management plan, and project documents. Tools and techniques involve expert judgment, data analysis, and meetings. Outputs include the final product, service, or result transition and updates to project documents. Practical application of project integration management. Now, let's look at some real-world examples of successful project integration management. Example 1. Successful integration in a software project. In a software project, effective integration management ensured that the development, testing, and deployment phases were well coordinated. This led to on-time delivery and within budget, while meeting all quality requirements. Example 2. Lessons learned from a failed construction project. On the flip side, a construction project that failed due to poor integration management teaches us the importance of proper planning and coordination. Misalignment between different teams led to delays and cost overruns. Best practices for effective integration management. Let's go over some best practices for effective integration management. Regular communication. Ensure continuous and clear communication among stakeholders. Stakeholder engagement. Actively involve stakeholders in key decisions. Comprehensive planning. Develop a detailed project management plan covering all aspects. Flexibility and adaptability, be prepared to adapt to changes and new information. Use of technology, leverage project management tools and software for better coordination. To recap, project integration management is all about ensuring that the various elements of a project work together smoothly. We covered the key processes involved, from developing the project charter to closing the project. Now, let's move on to the Q&A session. Feel free to ask any questions you have about project integration management. I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos.